Hi y'all, so thank you for tuning in. Today we are reviewing the Remedy by Ari products, which just the palette, gloss, and the lip scrub. So stay tuned to see how I did this look with only this palette and how I like it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you wait to the end so you can see the final outcome, because you just gotta see. Hey y'all, I know this video is so long overdue, but listen, I've been going through it. First of all, can y'all see like how the background is like dark? Like, I've been really trying to work on this camera and this lighting, and it's still not doing what I needed to do. But that's neither here nor there. I've already moisturized my face and did my eyebrows, because we are getting into Remedy by Ari. I haven't opened my eyeshadow palette fully yet because I wanted to wait on the video. I also got the lip scrub and the lip mask. I actually have it on right now. Yeah, so every time I do the lip scrub though, my lips do appear to be lighter. I have dark lips, but they do appear to be lighter every time I use it. When you use the scrub, it leaves like a silicone kind of jelly feel, so it's cool. I don't mind it. And then I really love the lip mask, but it doesn't last long. Like, I wish it lasted long like lip gloss, but it's a mask, so as soon as you drink something or something, baby, you might as well say bye-bye or reapply, because it's leaving. Okay, so let's get into the real smoke. Let's get into this palette. Okay, so one of the main reasons that I wanted to review this palette is because all the faces that I see that uses the palette is very neutral. So I'm like, I wonder if you can do some real looks with this palette. So I was like, I'm gonna get the palette and I'm gonna try to do more of a look, you know what I'm saying? Like, so it is so pretty. It's a neutral palette, it is. But I still want to see like more eyeshadow done with it. I'm like, again, all the eyeshadow I've been seeing has been like really basic. That's what it is. The eyeshadow has been basic, because we can get a dramatic neutral eye, baby. So I'm here to give a non-basic eyeshadow review on the palette. But it is really cute. I love this dark brown. This looks like a perfect dark brown, so we're gonna see about that. I'm gonna also use some of the pinks as blush. We're gonna use the palette as much as we can. So when I ordered my package, the lip glosses were sold out, at least the ones that I would want to wear, so I only got one. But I got Pink Matter. It's giving that pouty pink, like it's gonna be real cute over a nude with you know, the brown liner. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with the P. Louise Base Pro in the number 02. So what's been going on, you guys? It's been so long. It's been over a year since I've been on YouTube, so sorry about that if y'all care. But yeah, so let's see what's been going on. I have been just trying to fill out myself out, you know. I have been dibbling and dabbling and stuff, and I was supposed to launch my brand Heavy, but it didn't work out like I planned. So I do still plan on launching my brand, so y'all go and follow my brand page. Okay, so your girl still be experiencing camera problems, but I went ahead and put on my foundation while I let my camera cool and blended out my base for my eyes. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this eyeshadow. So we're gonna use Obsessed, and then we're gonna blend it out with some Cocoa. So Obsessed and Cocoa. I'm gonna take my angled eyeshadow brush. It's a little fluffy, but it's angled still. But yeah, I just cleaned it, so it's a little flat, but it's fluffy. It's Obsessed, and then we're gonna carve out our cut crease. So you wanna go from the bottom, go up, and then slide it all the way out. And just drag it out a little more, you know, give it a little bit more dramatics. I carve it out, I'm gonna just blend it out some. in the same spot, just like softening those lines around it. I'm gonna go into another brush, and then this time I'm gonna go into the color Cocoa. I'm gonna blend out the front part right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go back into Obsessed and kind of blend that into the same spot. So the eyeshadows blend really well, I will say. Like, it's not giving me any stubbornness. You know, some eyeshadows can be real stubborn, and the blend, it makes the blending a bit difficult, but it's not. So I'm just gonna keep blending out this front part until it is seamless, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I went ahead and did the eye for y'all, but what I went ahead and did was took a smaller brush like these, real small, went back into Obsessed, and then I just outlined my cut crease just a little bit more than it already was, just, you know, to give it that bold look, you know, so I can Okay, so see how this one, it's a little more fat than that one. Make my cut crease go in just a little bit more. So I'm gonna start right here and cut just a little bit closer. Make that point outward. That's better. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna go into Irresistible. And then I'm gonna put Irresistible. That came up real pigmented. And pull it out on the lid. You wanna pack it on the inside and then blend it outward. And making sure that you pat. Don't rub this eyeshadow on now. You get better coverage and the application when you pat. P-A-T, pat. Okay, so the next step is going to be taking your flat brush that you use out your crease. And what we're going to do is make the top part a little bit more precise. So I'm going to go right here in the middle. And I didn't add on any more product. I'm just using the residue on the brush. And I'm going to carve out the top part of this crease. See, I made it just a little bit more precise by doing that. And then you want to take a brush, like whoosh whoosh with, and go back into Irresistible. You're just gonna pat your brush in there, blow out the excess, and then you're just gonna brush this across the top part. You don't want to pack it on because you don't want it too pigmented up there, but you do want the bright color up there. So you're just gonna brush through like that. See how my front is blending with that? That's what we want. So now that we've done that part, go back with my flat brush and then we're gonna go into Cocoa. What I'm gonna do is go under lightly. I'm not using a lot of force, and then I'm just gonna push it inward to the inner part of my face. Once we blend the Cocoa under here, I just took a little bit of Obsessed again and kind of went over that as well. As you see, I kind of darkened it up just a little bit to give that ombre look. So then I'm going to dip into Karma, which is kind of like the orangey kind of color. And I'm going to dust off the excess, and then I'm going to blend that right here. For the liner, I'm going to use a pencil eyeliner. And I'm going to just use it on the ends like this. I'm going to take my angled brush. Boom. This is like my brow angled brush. So it's real precise and small. And I'm going to drag my liner out into a wing. I feel like I need a little bit more Karma on this side. Okay, eyes. So let me go ahead and conceal my under eyes and contour my face, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna finish this look. Okay, so we got the face halfway through. For the blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use Rare. I like me a light blush, y'all. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. I really like it. Okay. I like it. I feel like this pink is so different. Like, it seems like a very distinctive pink. Like no other, like I don't have no other pink like this pink. It is really cute as a blush. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, for the under eyes, I'm gonna go back with my small angle brush, and I'm gonna go back into Obsessed, and I'm gonna draw out my liner in the front, do the cat eye in the front. It's giving. I'm gonna take my black eyeliner again, and we're gonna use this on the end and in the front. So I'm gonna go back with the small brush that I used earlier, and then we're gonna go back into Obsessed, and I'm gonna blend out my eyeliner with Obsessed. Okay, then we're gonna take another brush. So now I'm gonna go back into Irresistible, and I'm gonna add that in the middle at the bottom. Isn't that cute? Okay, so yes, the palette has good shadows, okay? That can be versatile. It don't gotta be a basic look. I just wanted to make sure, because I was like, is the eyeshadow not coming out right? Like, is it patchy? Like, why ain't nobody put on no eyeshadow? Unless I've been missing the post with the good eyeshadows, which could be, because I mean, y'all know Instagram don't be showing everything. Weirdo. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my setting spray, and I will come back to show y'all what lashes we're wearing. So I'm back. So for my lips, I used dark brown pencil from Sephora, called Deep Brown. So I used this deep brown, my Marc Jacobs lipstick in No Angel. This gave me this nice nude ombre lip. For lashes, we're gonna be wearing Heavy. This is my lash brand, y'all, that hasn't dropped yet, but it's coming. I promise, it's coming. But these are the Scandalous Lash, which is my shortest lash pair in the bunch, the first launch. This is the shortest one. This is Scandalous. So these are the lashes that I'm gonna wear. I love these lashes so much. And the packaging, because it's everything, right? Just love it. Okay, look. So cute, right? So let's go ahead and apply our Pink Matter gloss. My lips are still moisturized from the lip mask, so that's a good thing. Smells good. Yeah, I like this. Oh yeah. Okay, Ari. It is really good though, y'all. So if you've been thinking about it, go ahead, get the palette, get you some gloss. I'm not gonna lie, this gloss is popping. Yeah, it's popping. So go get you some gloss, get you some lip scrub, and get you the palette, because it was bomb. It's bomb. It's bomb. Yeah, so I hope y'all liked the video. Go ahead, give me a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, and let me know if y'all want to see more videos coming soon.